AI Business Brief for February 18, 2026. The AI replacing SaaS narrative is moving from prediction to reality, with major AI companies citing actual enterprise customer examples. Small businesses won't feel this shift through big announcements. They'll feel it gradually as each tool category gets an AI-native competitor that's cheaper and more flexible. The Perplexity ad exit signals that professional AI tools are converging on subscription models built around accuracy, not engagement, which is a better fit for business use cases than ad-funded alternatives. Watch for more payroll, CRM, and workflow tools to add AI-powered error detection and automation in the next 90 days as incumbents respond to the replacement threat. Here's the full breakdown of today's top AI stories for your business. Next section, lead story. AI is coming for your software as a service. Stack Mistral CEO Arthur Mensch made a blunt claim at the AI Impact Summit in India this week. More than 50% of enterprise software spend will shift to AI within the foreseeable future. He's not speculating. Mistral is already working with over 100 enterprise customers who are actively looking to replace legacy SaaS tools with custom AI-built workflows. The specific example he gave is instructive. Procurement and supply chain workflows that used to require purpose-built vertical SaaS products can now be built in a couple of days using AI connected to company data. 5 years ago, that was a 6-figure software contract and a months-long implementation. Now, it's a weekend project. What this means for small businesses is more nuanced. The $50K enterprise SaaS contracts aren't your problem, but the $100-500/month per employee tools you're paying for, like project management, CRM, customer relationship management, add-ons, customer service software, and workflow automation, are exactly the category Mensch is describing. If you're paying for 3 tools that each do one thing, an AI assistant with access to your data can increasingly do all 3. The question to ask right now: which of your monthly SaaS subscriptions are you paying for because the software is genuinely irreplaceable, and which are you paying for because switching felt too hard? Source: CNBC. Action: list your SaaS tools and their monthly costs. For anything under $200/month that handles a single workflow, evaluate whether a Claude or GPT-4o powered automation could replace it. Start with the tools your team uses least. Next section, industry moves. Perplexity dumps ads. Bets on subscriptions. Perplexity is phasing out advertising entirely. After briefly testing ads in 2024, the company reversed course, with executives saying ads would have users doubting everything. Instead, they're targeting high-value professional users: lawyers, doctors, finance professionals, and executives who need accurate answers and are willing to pay for them. This matters because it signals a permanent fork in how AI tools make money. OpenAI is running ads in free ChatGPT. Anthropic has committed to keeping Claude ad-free. Perplexity is joining the no-ad camp. For your business, if you're choosing AI tools for client-facing work or research where accuracy is critical, the business model of the tool you're using is actually relevant. An AI tool optimized to show ads has different incentives than one optimized to keep paying subscribers. The no-ad camp is increasingly where the professionals are. Source: The Verge. Europe is rebuilding its tech stack. European governments are treating dependence on US cloud and software as a national security vulnerability. Estonia called it a matter of national survival. France is deploying a government-built video conferencing tool to replace Teams and Zoom. Germany and Belgium are auditing their cloud dependencies. U.S. companies hold 85% of the European cloud market and at least 59% of enterprise software. The Cloud Act means U.S. law enforcement can access data stored by American companies anywhere in the world, which is the specific legal concern driving this shift. For U.S.-based businesses, the direct impact is limited for now. But if you sell to European clients or are building software for European markets, expect procurement questions about data residency and vendor nationality to intensify. This trend also creates a tailwind for open source and self-hosted alternatives. Source: CNBC. Google's $60 AI push at the India Summit. Google announced $60 million in grants at the AI Impact Summit in India. $30 million for AI in government and $30 million for AI in science research. They also announced the America-India Connect fiber optic initiative and a new AI professional certificate program aimed at training government workers globally. The India story is worth watching. Every major AI company, including Google, Mistral, and others, is competing for the Indian market. India's AI investment boom is creating infrastructure and training pipelines that will eventually lower AI costs globally. For your business, no immediate action needed, but global AI infrastructure competition drives down compute costs and improves model access over time. Source: Google AI blog. Next section, Business Playbook. AI is enabling micro-SAW replacement. The Mistral CEO's comments align with a pattern already playing out at the small business level. Here's a practical example of how this works today. A service business paying $79/month for a standalone client onboarding tool, $49/month for a basic CRM, and $29/month for a form builder is spending $157/month on 3 tools that each handle one job. With a Claude or GPT-4o integration connected to Airtable or Notion as a data layer, a developer or an AI-assisted non-developer can build a single custom workflow that handles all 3 functions for roughly the API cost plus a few hours of setup. The businesses winning this transition are the ones that treat AI as infrastructure rather than a subscription. They're not just using AI tools, they're using AI to reduce the number of tools they pay for. If you have a developer on staff or access to one, start auditing which SAW tools are doing simple, single-function jobs. These are the lowest-hanging replacement candidates. If you don't have technical staff, watch for no-code AI workflow tools, Zapier AI, Make with AI, and direct Claude integrations to make this more accessible in the next 6-12 months. Next section, Pricing and Access. Watch. Automated payroll. What AI adds today for small businesses with W-2 employees. The major payroll platforms are incorporating AI in meaningful ways right now. Notably, AdRun, AI-powered error detection, flags payroll mistakes before they become IRS problems. Pricing not publicly listed. Requires a quote. Gusto. Starts at $49/month plus $6/employee. No AI-specific features highlighted, but strong automation for tax filings and compliance. OnPay. Also $49/month plus $6/employee. Good for businesses with mixed workforce types. Full-time, contractors, seasonal. The AI angle here is error reduction and compliance automation, not flashy features. For a business running payroll once or twice a month, the risk of a tax filing mistake is real and expensive. If you're still doing payroll manually or using spreadsheets, any of these platforms will pay for themselves. Source: Small Business Trends. Next section, Quick Wins. Run a SAW audit this week. Given the AI replacing SAW trend, do a 30-minute exercise. List every software subscription your business pays for, what it costs, and what single function it performs. Then sort by, could an AI automation replace this? Using these criteria: single-purpose tools, one workflow, one job, equals high replacement candidate. Tools that hold critical data or integrate deeply equals keep for now. Tools your team barely uses, but keeps just in case, equals cancel or evaluate AI replacement. This isn't about cutting everything. It's about spending your software budget on tools that genuinely earn their place. Prompt template. SAW replacement evaluator. I pay $X/month for tool name. It does the following for my business. Description. My team uses it frequency. It integrates with other tools. Suggest 2-3 ways I could replicate this function using AI tools or automation I might already have access to. Be honest about whether replacement is practical given my setup. Run this prompt in Claude or ChatGPT for each low-usage tool on your list. That concludes today's AI Business Brief. From Carolina Clear Tech, stay smart, stay ahead.